Yes, my first car seat that I've ever purchased. I'm getting ready to go on a road trip with a little boy. He just turned 3 years old, and I haven't known him that long. I've been emailing him back and forth, and he's been responding to me, and him and his mother are coming to see me. They're from Japan, and I think I'm going to have a really good time with them. And you know, I've got to get the van all set up, and so I had to get this car seat and stuff. And along the way, what am I going to do along the way? Well, he's got an interest in reading, and I'm going to try to teach him how to speak English and how to start reading, saying words and all that kind of stuff. I got this at the store. These are just little letters, and they're magnetic. You have to be real careful with those. And this pad is magnetic dry erase board. And I got some different things. We can either draw on here and clean that off. The little letters can be put on here, and I can help him teach him making sounds and different things. And at the store, I ended up getting this here. So I've got some colored little felt tip pens with the big side and the small side, even a cleaning thing, an eraser and all that kind of stuff. And you know what? I'm going to use this certain teaching technique, and you know, the first thing is he doesn't know any English at all, and so that's the first real hurdle. And after that, it's all about learning sounds and putting sounds together and all that. But I'm going to use a certain teaching technique that I want to show you and share with you along the way once we get going on a road trip. So keep looking and watching my videos. Oh, he likes Mickey too. And my auntie got him a little Mickey. And then I found another one at the store. And see, this one here, he's got his mouth open. This one, he's just got his little smiley face. Brothers, hey. And of course, where are we going on this road trip? Of course, one of the things on the road trip, yes, of course, we are going to Disneyland. And I'll show you some sights and sounds of Disney. And every place we go, we're going to San Francisco too. Mayumi, that's her name. My friend Mayumi, Mayumi and her little boy is Haku. She has never gone to San Francisco, so I'm going to take her to San Francisco, and we're going to look at all kinds of fun things there, Pier 39 and cable cars and the Japanese flower garden and the Golden Gate Park and going across the Golden Gate Bridge. You know, maybe some other stuff too, I don't know. Hey, wherever we go, I'm bringing the video camera, so just keep watching my channel. Do you think Joe has enough vim and vigor for a road trip with a little 3-year-old? Hey, keep watching my videos and see if I do.